Check this out, guys. Check this out. This is how the sky gets when the rain comes in here where I live. Is that not bizarre? Look at that. Yeah, there's another bad storm coming in right now. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, did you see that panel lightning that just happened? Yeah, that happens here a lot. It's rolling in though. Look at that. It's like the clouds are rolling in and just totally eating the daylight that's left. This is Thursday. See that? And that's not my device. That's not my camera. I've recorded this several times with several different pieces of equipment. I've used my camera itself. I've used cell phones. And it always shows up the same way. What I'm seeing with the naked eye, that's exactly how it's recording. Check it out. Wow. No rain yet. And the trees are blowing around in a circle. I don't know if you can see this or not. Let me see. Let me zoom in on it. It's getting pretty dark. See the circle that the trees are going in? Here's a big tree up here doing the same thing. It always looks like it's about to be a tornado at my house. See that? That's what I try to explain to you guys, how the wind patterns blow, the wind currents here above my house. There's like layers and layers of wind currents, you know. I mean, I know we have the upper atmosphere and the lower atmosphere, right? Well, I've got wind blowing in every single direction above my house. Ooh, it sounds like somebody just shot a gun. Huh. Wow. But, I mean, there's literally wind blowing north, south, east, and west here above my house. And let me unzoom so that way you can get a full picture of this. Check it out. Look at those clouds over there looking like little funnels trying to come down. Look at that. Wow. See the little funnels that look like they're forming right there in the sky? We haven't gotten any tornado warning here or anything of that nature. Normally you'd hear the sirens going off and stuff. But that's just how the wind works here. It's so strange. I feel like I live in a fake reality, a fake, a fake existence. Like, I don't know. I can't explain it. I mean, I know it's reality, guys. I'm not nuts. But it just feels so unreal. Everything just feels unreal. So surreal, put it that way. Really surreal. Wow. Look over here. Look at that. And up here in the clouds. Wow. Over here in the west is where all the lightning is going on. Excuse me. Get down. Get down. Get down. Sorry about that. Wow. And now see the little funnel's gone. See, it went back up into the clouds. So weird. And over here, you probably can't see it, but it's pink. The sky is totally pink where the sun's setting. On that side and on this side. See if I can make it lighter. Maybe it'll be visible. Let's see here. There we go. See the color? It looks yellow on my camera, but from the naked eye, it's pink. Woo! No rain as of yet, just lots of wind blowing. Clouds going nuts here in the sky. Woo! You see that? Wow, that is so pink over there right now. It's so neat. It's about as light as I can get it right there. Yep, here comes the rain. Here it comes. Okay. You smell it? You smell that rain coming in, guys? You smell it? I smell it. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain, TikTok. Wow. Here it comes. You hear it? Better move, kitty. You're going to get rained on. The clouds have enveloped the light sky now. Pretty much. Wow. Look at that. Oh, here it comes. Yep. Woo! Wow, those clouds are so freaking pink over here. It's just crazy. Okay, here we go. Wow. I'm trying to get the light more visual because it's getting dark now. Okay. Well, anyway, 10 minutes is good enough, guys. I might come back in here and record a little bit more. For now, I gotta go check on my food. Peace out.